We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2015 Harley-Davidson Dyna Fat Bob. This one is in vivid black. And there is a ton of the Willie G skull accents on this. We've got him on the mirrors, on the rider pegs and the shift lever, both grips, rear brake pedal. They're on the front and rear axle caps as well as the derby cover. And then coming around to the other side, they're also on the battery box and the timing cover. We are running the 103 cubic inch engine, and we have beautiful Screaming Eagle pipes. Comfortable 2-up seat. We run on a fob, so we are keyless, and miles are extremely low. We are at 4,733. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.